Ika wanakutana.
Oh, atongoria mabũrũri ma Afrika.
Inanga nengo rutakanya mikwaka ona tondu ngwe ataga nako. Nengo yoya. Ndio waitu. Tekaure. Nitaka mwana wandie. Nitaka suria hau. De maha horo. Tumaha.
African head of state.
Yes. Kuna kigomano gikuria is it Tanzania?
Is Dar es Salaam Tanzania.
Aganyika.
Na nĩ nyonire mathaa mangĩ mũtongoria wa bũrũri William Ruto nake nĩ umagarire gũthiĩ kĩgomano kĩu.
Yes. And of course, you know, it is good when heads of states meet, talk about the business of the region. Kushia maradi kwarerio horo wa, is it renewable energy or what?
Maradi horo wa energy.
Oh, energy.
Mahinya ma kũhũthĩka.
Yes. Na TANESCO na kũu no ĩgĩteng'eragio mahenya. NEPA is another story. Ko jua generator. Sigaba and it is very unfortunate. It's a company that country that produces oil.
Yes, it's actually ironic.
Very ironic. No, Nigeria, they have issues with electricity.
A lot.
TANESCO the same. Afadhali siamuoye na marai na we na marare huothe. Yes. Goko riu thina uka na kuiguika ni uretirwo. Waje kurigo goko mitandao.
Goko ni ukwenyera kidogo.
Yes.
Gena to informal meetings.
The Southern African countries, they have their fabric.
Umenye kuri ona to lobbying kuu gatagate-ini.
Central Africa, yes. Central Africa and the other ones. Yes.
Na mundu no agiukite o president ndagiukaga wiki.
Yes.
Na delegation yake.
Yes.
Wigi ku delegation ya South Africa.
Yes.
Tindike kaundu turenda.
Yes.
Inyuĩ thiĩ kuria.
Mutigetikire.
Fara twaugire atiriri no nginya gere gwitũ.
Pesa ici cireto cia ekoasiri.
Mutikagwagwe
na OAU ri.
Vina Hawaii
turore hau. Ende gitagwo, what's the other one called? There's another one.
Sadaki.
Sadeki. Kama kama sio kanene. The Nigerians unako
West Africa, North Africa.
Yes. And notably they tagged along our very own Tinga Wodia Lego.
Idamwe na ku Gachagua-ini.
Araikara ena etondo. Itinerary ya president. Ruto. Ndio ora yone ndore makuruta hero kaigwa atiri. Munene.
Oi.
Weekend yatia.
Weekend da. Nego kija karati na weekend.
Yugake jo hao toro.
Oe ko we hariria thaa igĩrĩ.
Yes. Ukanuma hau. Baba tinda uguo. Baba Ruto. Baba Shelin. Yambo. Form.
Atoe form.
Wapi form. Sasa nitaweza kwenda Tanganyika. Tunaweza tupange tuangalie. Tukupeleke huko uongee na wale wangwana.
Sio siko ready na nguo.
Mimi nalalanga na viatu. Wewe angusha bendera fuata. Na mwambie Sudi hapana kupigia mimi. Hapana mtu yake. We wacha siasa na hiyo kelele. Ni ukuje mapema tusiwachwe na ndege. Sawa, na ile wakili wakati mwingine wakati kuniweka kwa dirisha yuko baridi.
Nataka yete kia dirisha hili.
Nataka nikae hapa karibu na wewe ndio wakipiga picha naonekana. Wewe akija kuwa kero sasa tumefika. Wewe wacha kufuatana na sisi. Wewe ongea na hawa watu. Ongea na hawa wangwana. Waambie ile kiti wewe unataka. Alafu seneza namna hiyo. wewe ongea na wao. Watakupanga. Wajue kama watakupanga ama ni namna gani. Yes. Haya, mimi nikiwa hapa niko sawa. Yes.
Bora mutikadige.
Mnaenda kuambiana nini na Museveni? Sasa hiyo wewe nimesha kuambia hili mambo mengine. Wewe ongea na wale kwanza, wale wa Central Africa na Southern Africa, hao ndio wako na maneno kidogo. Hao wewe utuliza moyo wao. Sawa, yo, all the best.
No ngai tutigira kindu munene ya kumagurira sai.
Ni ngai tutigira kindu. Tutikangethie bururi-ini wa ugeni. Because when they have a sit down in East Africa, it goes without saying the person who chairs, whether there is a chairman or not,
chairman wa machair.
Yes, is Baba Kedulukaba. Baba Muhosi. Yes. Baba Kainelokaba. Yoweri Kaguta. So how are we doing? You see, I noticed when we were discussing that issue, you people kept silent. You want those people to think we have no voice. So what happened there? Excellency Ruto, Excellency Samia, where is Kagame? We don't keep quiet like that when they're discussing. You put your voice. You put your voice. In fact, I was supposed to be immunizing my cows. I decided to come. It's okay, sasa tuendelee. It's okay, sasa wewe baba yetu ni kuongea tu pole pole. Wadi mambo inataka mbio. Sinikupanga tu pole pole. Okay, speaking of pole pole, I understand you are being taken in mbio.
Nani?
Nasikia huko kwako there is someone ulinyamazisha akapandisha volume. Sasa ile ni siasa ya kwetu. Na huwa ni mzito. No, we have to discuss it. It's in our agenda.
These are heads of state.
Kagame, can you give me where it's written? Yes. Who is this man? Who is Gachagua? Sasa yule ni aliyekuwepo.
Akaenda wapi?
Right now, do you have a vice president? Anaitwa deputy, kwetu tunamuita deputy. Na tuko naye amesoma, anaitwa Kindiki. You should tell him to be louder. Since this one you fired, she's not keeping quiet.
He's making noise.
She's too noisy. You see, your constitution is very funny. You have to fire someone, you involve the whole clan.
And they keep making noise.
You see, that one should be running around with the KRA. She should be judging courts. This one. Should go to Makadara, High Court, Supreme. She goes to even set a case to Embu. Then he has another one to answer in Wamunyoro. Sasa kwetu, we cannot do that. You see us, we are guided by the principle of democracy. Sasa kwetu hiyo hatuwezi. No. You are a very funny country. In fact, you don't need comedians. It's already funny. Kagame, do you understand the whole of this? It is actually a little very... I don't understand, Ruto. What is the problem exactly? You see, sasa kwetu, it's like I said, hatuwezi kukandamiza mtu kwa sababu ya kuongea. We have freedom of speech, freedom of expression, the right to picket,
and associate.
So that's too much freedom in one country. Those are freedoms of 10 entire countries scattered around.
Kenyans,
you cannot have all that freedom in one country. How do you govern? I am left to wonder. Sexually very... I don't even know what to comment. You fire somebody and they hire themselves to malign your name. And you are a sitting president.
No, Ruto should tell us.
No, Ruto is you we are talking to. How is that happening? Who is he? Is he the head of the army? Our army is only commanded by the commander-in-chief, and they have autonomy of making their... No. The army should be commanded by you, even in small decisions. Or you put Nick inside there. You see Kagame's son is in the army. You have seen him, the tall one. My son, of course, a general. He's a general. 5-star. Well, what about yours? Sasa wangu ni wakili. No, what is... in politics, you don't want a lot of law. I understand he said you should remove him from the matatu sector, take him to the army.
And make him a big person.
You should make him a 5-star general. You show Ian. Kagame, tell him. Ian is actually very senior in the military. Even in my absence, Ian can decide some decisions. You should really consider putting Nick in the army. That way your enemies know you are serious. Jamani, haina maana kuwaweka watoto kwenye... Mama Samia, who is talking to you? Your breast has no... Ijawaka moto like our brother here.
Our brother Ruto, huko kwake?
You are in elections mood. We have to look at our affairs.
And our welfare.
Actually, you will make even the people of Uganda think that's the way you handle power. In fact, I was worrying it might become a trend. Then we all started being talked at. You should deal with your issues. Put 1 or 2 of your sons in the army. And make sure every day you have a holiday. They are the ones commanding the parade. Let them move around.
Let people see them.
Let people see. People like to see power. Because by the way it is, people are not feeling your power. You should stop your authority. No, we are guided by the principle of equality.
Constitution.
Law. Our constitution is binding. Our 2010 constitution did away with most of those suggestions you are talking about. No, do away with the constitution.
Okay, baki one Kenya. Ni Afrika.
So kadia dudu re. Waine re. Makiaria icio marungi.
Era ya la foto fo.